Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session, we are going to see how to upgrade Tally Prime latest version and simultaneously use Tally ERP9 license. Before going to the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more future updates. Is it possible to run that both the version in the same serial number? Tally ERP9 and Tally Prime? Yes friends, it is possible in Tally Prime application. Once upgrade Tally Prime latest version, simultaneously we can able to use license version old as well as new. Now let's see how to upgrade latest version. If you want to upgrade latest version, the eligibility for upgrade latest version, your Tally software subscription valid, then you are eligible to upgrade latest version. There is no additional upgradation charges applicable. Next, system requirement for upgrade latest version. It will support Windows 7 or above version with 64 bits operating system. Once upgrade latest version, you should aware of updated features and function in latest version. And you should trial run by posting real-time transaction in latest version. Finally, migrate the data, and if you are using customization, you need to migrate that customization file too in latest version. Now let's start installation process. Open tallysolutions.com. there download that installation file from the website. Next, double click on the setup file. Next, it will list out that list of application running. Don't upgrade here. Click on new installer and proceed further. Then you need to define which drive and folder you want to save that installation application. Otherwise, by default it will select C drive program file. Once define that application path, click on install, run that application. Next, installation successfully completed, click on start option. Now once application loaded, it will ask you to select the data path, which drive you want to save the data. Before that, you need to give the Windows Firewall exception. Click on allow option. Click on configure and change that data path. Data path you can able to define manually, or you can use the browse option. You can select that particular drive and folder path. You can click on enter. Next, click on accept to continue. The license screen, we are going to select reactivate existing license. We are already using license, but we are using in lower version. We are using for trial purpose. You can go it in education mode also. Once click on reactivate existing license, it will ask email ID and password. Here we need to update Tally Net ID and password. Tally Net ID nothing but Tally license registered mail ID, and the password will be sent to your mail at the time of activation. If you forget the password, you can click on reset option the right hand side, button bar or shortcut key Alt R. Your license successfully reactivated in Tally Prime application. In Tally ERP9, we are not surrender the license. Without surrendering the license, we are reactivated license in Tally Prime application. Since we are activating Tally Prime license in the same system, so no need to surrender license in Tally ERP9. If you are open Tally ERP9 in Tally application, it's already turned to education mode. Now if you want to run Tally ERP9 license parallelly with Tally Prime license, click on gateway server. It will search the license details and port number. Click on enter and accept it. Now you can able to use Tally ERP9 license as well as Tally Prime license simultaneously. Once upgrade to Tally Prime latest version, in that Tally Prime Gateway Server 11.0, it will allow to access license in lower version. In case if you want to reactivate the license in another system, in that cases you need to surrender the license in Tally ERP9. Next, you can reactivate the license in another system. Let's see key points to be remembered. While installing Tally Prime application, don't overwrite in existing folder. Next, if you want to activate the license in another system, first surrender the license in Tally ERP in system, then reactivate Tally Prime in another system. Don't straight away migrate that old data, means 1718 or old structure data in Tally Prime new version. Always better to push some real-time transition in Tally new version for trial. Once if you're comfortable with that, then you can move on Tally Prime new version. Last point, you need to take the backup, then migrate the data. If you are using any customization file, you can configure that customization file. In case is any issue, you can coordinate with your Tally service provider for migrating the customization file. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.